Ever found yourself at the CVS checkout, digging through your wallet, wishing there was a faster, easier way to pay? Well, today we're diving into the world of Venmo at CVS to see if you can ditch the cash and cards. First, download and open the Venmo app on your smartphone, making sure you have the latest version installed. It's available on both iOS and Android. Once you're in the app, verify that your Venmo account is linked to a valid bank account or debit card. This is crucial for making payments. Alright, now the big question, can you directly pay with Venmo at CVS? The simple answer is no. CVS does not directly support Venmo payments through QR codes scanned at the register. However, you can still use Venmo at CVS with the Venmo debit card if you've got one. You can use it anywhere that accepts MasterCard, which includes virtually all CVS locations. Just swipe or insert your card like you would with any other debit card. Another option, if available at your CVS, is to use CVS Pay through their official app. Link your Venmo debit card to CVS Pay for a streamlined checkout. So, while you can't scan a Venmo QR code, the Venmo debit card provides a great alternative for a quick and easy, virtually seamless and convenient checkout experience at CVS. Now you're equipped to conquer your next CVS run with Venmo. Subscribe for more payment tips and tricks.